Okay, so the way you play this game is you drop numbers in one of the five columns, or yeah, columns, I guess. And the numbers that are the same will combine into each other, and this will happen multiple times. Let me tell you what I mean. So 8 can be dropped on top of 8, and it will become 16. 4. Now, if I'm gonna drop 16 on top of 16 right here, it will become 32, but 32 is, well, can be combined with 32, so we will end up with only one number, that's 64. Okay, and so the way the game works is it will merge as many times as possible. So yeah, the whole point of the game is you get to as high of a number as you can, but as you can see, the more numbers get merged, the higher the score gets. And uh, yeah, that's pretty much the whole point of the game. The game ends basically when you reach the top and you don't have any more empty cells to drop the numbers into. So yeah, just try to get to as high of a number as you can get. And yeah, that's it.